Hello, just a quick one on this, what I've picked up. Love this Clark's clock with a Harley Davidson motif inside, and also on a Harley Davidson tyre, proper tyre, Harley Davidson Dunlop tyre D402F MT90B16 MC72H. Good tread. These tyres start from about £117 up to over £200. The genuine Harley Davidson. Well, with the Harley Davidson sort of motifs on there. It's still got the little things on it there, look like as if it's never been used. Although having said that, they are on the edge. Maybe you just don't lent it that much, but it's good condition. You could actually use it on your bike. Tread's very good. It is heavy because it's a tyre, so I'm going to try and show you. On the back of the tyre, the hook on the wall, it's hooked on the back of the tyre, so the clock ain't flush to the rim like it is at this side. At the other side you can get like a hook behind the tyre, so when I show you the hook I'm using you'll see what I mean. So you'll just have to bear with us camera wise, so I'll just lift it off the hook, and that's what we've got, which hooks, like I say, on the back of the tyre like so. But the weight of it, you definitely have to plug it. The battery in it is a rechargeable one, so that if it does sell, or if I decide to sell it, or if you're interested, you won't get that battery with it, because it's my rechargeable ones what I use. So there you go. I love it. So I'm in garage at the minute, so it's hard to sort of get round everything and get right angles to show you better, but I'm trying to get a rough idea of it. So there we go. This is the front tyre, by the way. And there you go. Thank you.